What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome to another episode of LipSnatch'N TV. I ain't gonna hold y'all long, but in this video, we got on them pretty good with the Jackhammer, y'all. I'm telling you, man, they was eating that thing pretty good in this video. But without further ado, we're gonna get on into this thing. But before we do that, y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, leave a comment if you can. Hey, and share it if you would like to. So without further ado, we're gonna get on right into this thing. He got off, oh my God. Dude, I couldn't really set. Oh, I'm stuck in mud. Forget that. I don't even care. Dude, that was a big one too, bro. Bro. You gonna have to throw something that's gonna get in the water column, bro. I see that now. Oh my God, bro. Dude, that was a big one, bro. You ain't see that? On the chatter don't. On the chatter don't, bro. Why did? Why did? You ain't see him wake behind it? He wake behind it, bro. I didn't even know he was on that firm. It just stopped vibrating. He came from right up on that little tree right there. Bro, I'm stuck all in mud, boo.
Y'all watch out, but it's quicksand, bro.
Huh?
It's quicksand.
It ain't quicksand.
It's just thick.
Yeah,
mud
it's just
sand.
thick red mud.
Yeah, it been from where it rained.
Hey, I'm stuck for real.
Me too.
I'm glad you ain't playing.
I see you. I seen your face.
Yeah, that quicksand, bro.
It ain't.
It's quicksand.
Boy, ain't no quicksand. Oh. Hey, got another hit, bro. That sun gun came right up. Oh. Got him. There. Oh, he stuck up under something. Oh, come on. Oh, he went up under the stick. Oh, man. Oh, no. No, he's still on that, though. Come on, bro. I'm trying. He went right up on that stick. But then right, that was a big one, though.
Oh, yeah, that.
Uh-oh, he pulled. He pulled. Thank you. On the chatter don't. On the chatter don't. Yes, sir, y'all. We done started already. I just missed the big one before I started the video. Just want to make a first cast. Look at that. Oh yeah. Man, if y'all look how I'm fishing, y'all. I'm stuck in the freaking mud.
Hey, I'm fishing without a trailer.
For real? It better? I can't get out the mud though. There you go. Let me go over here. Two of them hit it. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, no. I'm over a tree. Oh, I got one. Across a tree. I went across the tree and still got it. Yes, sir. Y'all better get on. Y'all better get on with the freaking jackhammer. Yeah, a small one, but I'm glad he hit it because he wouldn't hit. I would have probably got stuck. Dang, man, I done missed two big ones though. Got one? Who got it? Raymond? Man, all the big and getting off. That sounds like a decent. You had one? They hugging all these trees on the bank. That first one was a big one though. I'm just burning this freaking jackhammer. They just stopping that vibration. That's not gonna look sexy. Idiot. Yeah, hey look, y'all hold y'all cuss words.
Look my little bag.
Like a whole grass bottom though. Got him. Oh my God. I got a freaking pig, y'all. I got a freaking toad, bro. Oh my God. Oh my freaking, oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all think this is my PB, bro? Oh my God. Oh my freaking goodness, bro. Oh my God. Dude, it's like a 10-pounder, I think. Oh my God, dude. Look at this freaking, oh my God. Dude, please somebody come give me a scale. Ram, you got your scale? Oh my God, dude. Dude, I got a freaking, oh my God. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh God, dude. Oh my God, dude. Oh. Hey, take a picture there, cuz. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh yeah, I caught my new PB. Oh my God. Let's let this big baby go. Let's let that big girl go. Oh my God. Dude, it's some freaking pigs in here. Come on, get out of here, girl. Oh, I know it. Bet that. Oh boy, come on. That big girl there. That's a big girl right there. You ready to go? You ready to go? Come on. I know you're gonna get mud all over. I know you is. Bro, that mud came out of nowhere and crushed that jackhammer, bro. Oh my, I knew for a fact that it had to been at least a 7 or 8 pounder. Y'all got my new freaking PB. Oh my God. Wait a minute, I had a ruler. I had a freaking ruler so I can get how long she is. Oh, it's somewhere. It was on here, was it? Dang, I ain't got my ruler. Ryan, you got a ruler on you? Golly, look how big that thing. Look at it. I got it. Oh my God. Dude, that son gonna look at this freaking toe. So the mouth go all the way past taper. Okay. Let me get her back in there. I'll measure it when I get home. That's a freaking 8 pounder, dude. Get out there. Get out there, baby. Come on. Come on. She tired. She a big old one. She don't want to get on out there. Come on. Come on. There you go. Get on out there. Get on out there. There you go. She back. She off. She off. God almighty. No. Then she just sat there and, bro, she just sucked in so many baby fish on the bank. Oh my God. That just happened, bro. I missed the freaking toad, came back and got another one. Oh. Yeah. I want to get on over there, but the freaking jackhammer is my best friend right now. That son gonna stop air when he thumped it, bro. Oh my God. with how big that one was, bro. With how big that was. Boo boo, thank you. Bruh, it was hell getting in here, but it was all worth it. Man, boo boo, I got so many soft plastic. I got swim baits and all. You need it, come get it. Especially, you done put me on my freaking new PB. Yeah, gotta get it back though. Cause this is one of my most expensive jackhammer. He can't have it. 16. Man, that son gonna crush this thing. I gotta get another. He told my pinch. I mean, one of my pinches off. Golly, boy, that son gonna. Woo. Whew. My God, dude. Man, dude, I couldn't even do nothing with that son on that fur. All I could do was when he was coming toward me. If he wasn't coming toward me, boy, it was gonna be a show enough fight. But this 17-pound fluoro, so you're gonna have to walk back up, and come back down. Hey, bring my Crocs with you so I can rinse them off. I got a spot I can rinse them off right here. I told you you're gonna have to walk back up.
I ain't coming right there. Walk up, walk.
No, he gonna have to just walk back up and come back down. It's a clear spot where he can come back down. I know if I can get all the way back. Right, man, you coming over here? All right, well, make sure you bring them Crocs so I can throw them in the water. And I gotta get so much mud off of them. I'm talking about that son gonna just, when he thumped it, bro, I'm talking about he almost yoinked this mug out of my hand. When I snatched up on him, whew, he had it good too. I had to haul him on in because I was not finna lose him. I ain't had Aaron to help me neither. You can tell, man, you can tell they're eating good too. They're eating good. Even them little bit of them were kind of thick. Then that son going, oh yeah. Then look, when he left, bro, you know all these bait fish that you seen right here? Bro, that son going just open their mouth and suck so many of them down. Oh! Boo Boo got one, bro. Oh, I got one too. We doubled up. You got him, Boo Boo? Oh! Aaron, Boo Boo got a big one. Well, I told you he was gonna get one on it.
Yeah, baby.
I got a little bitty in.
It's about to be 3 pounds. That's bigger than 3.
Oh, look at that, y'all. We gotta get back in there. Oh my God. Got a good 3.5. On the bud bait, Boo Boo.
Buzz bait.
I told you were gonna get it, cause dude, we doubled up too, Boo Boo.
Huh?
We doubled up too. I just throw mine back.
Damn, I need somebody to take the fish.
How you got somebody right there beside you? I didn't even know I had one on, cause when I heard, oh, I just missed one. Oh, I got him. Oh, got him. Now he ain't that big. Oh, yes he is. Oh, another big one. Another big one. Let's go. Aaron, about a 5-pounder, bro. Come take a picture. Oh my God, dude. Look how freaking fat these fish is out here. My God. Huh?
Don't nobody fish this lake. I got one too.
Aaron got one too, a biggin? Oh. Hey, somebody take a picture.
Roll down through them motherfuckers.
Hey.
Oh, if we can clear roll down through him.
Dude, look how freaking fat this thing is. Oh my God. Hey, we got to most definitely come back here, dude. Aaron, where you at? God, somebody need to help me take a picture of this.
I know exactly what you put on.
Dude, all you gotta do is just throw straight out. And they like, how big that was you caught there? Yeah, I throw it this way and that son gonna catch. Why this? Yeah, you know that jackhammer is sit off in the water column better than just like an actual, yeah.
And this ain't but a 3/8, I need about a half.
They chasing, bro. I'm telling you, I seen it when I released that big one, bro. When I released them, that more opening my look. Can you? Look, can you see that?
Yeah.
Look at all them bait fish right there. That thing opened their mouth up and sucked in like 10 of them. That thing got hungry, bro. And they thick, bro, so they constantly eat.
Big brown. It got to be some brown.
Boy, you go bad fishing out here. You gonna catch you a 10-pounder on bed. Yeah. Man, I gotta go. Yeah. No, it's just a win. Then again, we don't know.
Oh, you got black and blue on though.
Yep. You know that's my specialty.
I got just one then. I was throwing the wrong color. I'm throwing white stuff too.
I got a menace. I ain't got no more menace though, bro.
I got some green pumpkins.
That's what I need. I got watermelon seed right now though on the back of it. Look at that. Look at that juice. Look at that juice, y'all. Jackhammer with the juice.
Look at this juice.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you should have kept one on that. You should have kept one on that.
Ain't nothing like that.
Boy, did you not hear how that song blowed up on Boo Boo? Yeah. Man, you crazy, Boo Boo. Oh. Is it still on?
Yeah, he on. A little bit of one, but you know what I'm saying? Some slight though.
Dang, that's like 5 or 6. I don't forget. I lost count. I had to go back on the video.
You caught 4 so far. You missed one. You came here.
I missed the big one.
You caught 2, 1 more. Then you caught that monster.
I ain't forget it. I'm gonna lose. I feel like I'm gonna lose count a lot today.
That's 4.
Get back in there.
I ain't get 1 so far.
Hey, get back in
I
there.
bet that jig bite stupid in here, cuz.
I ain't even tried to throw it. You know I supposed to be. But why pick it up when I'm doing good on the dunk?
Hey man, they say, like they say, you don't leave. You go find fish. If it's something working, what's the reason to change? Plain everything, cuz. On the speed.
Yeah, Aaron, you seen that?
Where?
Over there. That something comes clean out the water. No, I just seen a big and jump clean out the water on the other side.
Something working with the reason change.
Dude, I'm out here barefooted in wood catching fish. I just seen a big and come clean out the water. I'm about to get one. Come on.
Wonderful, dude. That more lunch a little bit better. A little more weight.
Hey, bro, I missed one on that tree line right there. That sun came. I missed one over there. I reeled in. I don't know if it was the same one or what, but that sun crushed it. Huh? All right.
Snake.
Yeah.
Over there where he at? I don't know.
Oh, it came off. Or what's that grass?
Might be.
Might have been grass. I don't know.
We got some grass.
No, long. No, there ain't no grass on here, cuz. That was a bite. I let it fall down in the water column like that, but you know that. That's the beauty of that jackhammer. It stay in the water column.
Yeah. They regularly try to bait. They like come up a lot.
Yeah, they
real slow.
like most of my regular chatterbait bites. They be like top water bites. God darn, Boo Boo got a stupid blow up on the buzz bait. Cause a lot of people don't throw top water this time of day.
Shoot, man, every time I'm spinning with the fish doing, I don't care what time of day. If they busting top, I'm throwing the top water.
Man.
This is like if they chasing bait and it's not throw a fluke or a chatterbait. That make no sense.
Man, I caught an 8 and a freaking 5 today, bro.
Getting like no effect in that, ain't it?
Yeah. Oh man, I done messed up. The wind caught it. If I do get one, I don't know how I'm gonna get it. I'm way in the tree. It's a big and hit it and snatch it toward open water. Got him. Yep, and look where I gotta get him to. Look, oh no, I'm all the way in the tree. Got him. I'm glad that was an old tree. On the popping frog. Look at that, y'all. Wasn't sure how I was gonna get him, but I got him without hurting him. Ouch. That's a freaking sharp hook. Man, I told you watch your language. I got him. Yeah. Get out there. Yep. All y'all do is cuss. All y'all do is cuss. Yep, that's all y'all do. Oh, no, 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 no. Let me get back on my chatter, don't bite. On the jackhammer. Ooh, I should throw it back right there. See my blow up right there. I almost messed up. Caught a leaf. I don't know one come and hit that like that. I've had it happen. Y'all gonna stop throwing over here thinking I'm about to get ready to throw in there thinking there's a fish waking in front of me. Then I throw it right in there and got hooked on one of y'all line. Gosh, one right here. Some just blunt, some blunt. Yo, this man that came in and killed this. It won right over in there. I can't really get to it. If I were to sling that frog through there, I probably could, but I'm scared to throw that frog through there.
No, I'm
right in.
good.
No, I'm talking about with all the wood. Oh, you better be glad I ain't get the actual fall on video, but they heard it. Come on, I gotta get that jackhammer through there. I shouldn't have done that. There you go. Man, bro, it's some nice laydowns here, though. If I can get out here in the boat, in a John boat or a yak. Oh, I had something up in that grass. No, no, oh man. I done messed up. Possibly gonna lose my freak. Oh, no, it didn't. Came out. Hey, come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. Oh. Boo Boo done made it on around. Yeah, he better. Come here. Here. Oh, come on. Oh. Well, the chatter don't. The Jackhammer. Look at her, y'all. Just walked there. I'm standing in the water fishing. About scared in the mud. But I'm in here. I'm in here. I'm in here. Oh yeah. I throw it around that little grass line. I'm in here. Where you at, boo boo? Let me.
I had my waders on.
Oh yeah. Waders.
My waders on. Oh, I'm in here. No snakes in there. I ain't worried about it.
That's what I'm finna do. I'm trying to get to where me and you ain't colliding together. Hold on. Yeah, you gonna be talking. Look. Oh yeah, it's something right there, bro. You seen that? Some just ran him smooth out. I'm finna get him. I'm gonna get him. Come on. I got him too. Oh! Come on. I told you I was gonna get him, bro. You seen that then? This can't be the one that was running, though. They're too small. That was a big freaking, like a brim or something. That 2 casts in the rope. Look at that. Dang, that ate on the day, bro. Oh.
Damn. Man, I don't want to leave that bud bait.
Oh, man. I would say I'd go out there, but I don't know what's over there. I had to get my phone off me and stuff.
Well, you walk your tail over here and get this bud. Get the bud bait out there.
Too much grass down up enough for me.
You straight, man, grass. Hey, I'm just scoping these areas out, bro. Those snakes ain't gonna ride in that grass. Walk on those sticks.
Yeah, I'm finna walk over toward this way and see how God, I just got stuck right there. Oh. No, I know what I need to do. I need to, hold on, because I just got the back of these out. I'm gonna have to. Dang, no, I ain't. No, I ain't. Oh yeah, there's gonna be a fish, boo-boo. Come on now. There gotta be a fish. Coming straight out that line. Oh snap! I just scared some dang fish out the way. What it? Yeah. Boy.
Oh my God.
You got him. Oh my God, Aaron, how you missed that?
He broke off.
Go in there and get him, bro. He's still in there.
Your hook in his mouth?
You broke the frog off? That's a freaking tank, bro. Dude, the line's still on him, bro. That's why he jumped up. If you break off, they gonna jump up every time. You on video? Dude, that's a freaking tank, bro. Yeah, I gotta edit to this. Cause y'all.
Come over here, please, bro. I need y'all to catch these boys, bro.
Is a spot for Boo Boo to stand, Boo and Raymond? Yeah, you can. I got him. I saw that. Watch them come out that grass and get it. Raymond, that 9, cuz I'm having a great day. I'm having a great day. I caught my PB. I caught my PB. Look at that, y'all. Look at that pip squeak. Dude, that sun gun was huge. I sat there and watched my whole catch that time. He came out the grass. Out the woodwork. How would you say boo-boo out the woodwork? Like over out the woodwork. Dude, that sun gun blowed up on the whole hour before you snapped up. You snapped it too hard. What side did you check your knot? Huh? What side tested it? It broke where the knot was. It was 100% knot. What side tested it? 50 braid. Yeah, that was a bad spot in that line. If he broke around the knot, oh, it went right here. I've been seeing. What that? I told you, bro. I got one on. Yep. That fast. Oh, he let it go, bro. That fast. I told you I seen one. That's what I'm saying. You can walk around now. I just didn't care to walk around now. I got Crocs on. I got Crocs on. Bet. Hold on. Dude, I throw it right in there and hook that son. Where you at? I got him. Ah! You saw it. You saw that, bro. That joint was so crazy. They in that grab, bro. That's why I'm throwing that grab line. It's gonna be a matter of time for that big and come out of there. It's gonna be a matter of time for that freaking big and come out of it. I'm trying to keep it right up in the water color, cause you know that jackhammer, it'll go down. It want to stay in the freaking water collar, man.
I ain't talking about no snakes. You're watching damn step. No, you gotta watch those snakes. People have seen one. Gotta watch them.
I can't wait to hear boo boo. That's why I'm right here. Cause as soon as that mother say, he come off in here. I got it.
If you don't mind, I will buy another frog off you right now.
Yeah, come on.
That frog, but that was a big bad, dude.
You crazy, bro. I done caught bad like that twice. No, he ain't gonna bite no more. Oh, I got him. Oh! Yo! Look, he came from the side and hit it. He ain't come from out of them trees. They hitting it like how... Ram, you throw it over there? Yeah. Oh. I was finna say it one right there. Man, shut up. Man, I'm disrespecting. The jackhammer going crazy. I'm disrespecting. I gotta put some respect on the jackhammer name. And to think I was just gonna throw a jig around today. Am I on grass or what? Bro, that was a freaking big fish. I'm already knowing, fam. Huh? Hold on. Ooh, I can't see it. Why you let it drop? Come on. Yeah. Oh no. Man, God, if I get that fish, I don't know what I'm gonna do unless he go. Oh yeah, big ones too. I should get one right here, boo boo. My calculations is right. I got him. I already. Oh, he got. Oh, oh, he got off. I knew I was gonna get hit right there. Look at that freaking stuff right there. No, the jackhammer just broke off, bro. Oh no. No, bro, that was a freaking $16 bait, bro. Oh my God. Ain't water hot right there. Oh no. It's in here somewhere. My goodness. Come on, please. Oh shoot. Well, that was a fish. Oh my God. Eric, I think I need you to do this task right here. Look at that, y'all. Just snatched in a little bitty. He been sitting in front of me the whole time. I missed him one time. Come on. A little bit. Man, this son done got a broke back. Somebody must have had a freaking, some kind of trolling motor in here. Oh, got him. I want to shake your head. I do now.
You want to hear something on that video?
Mm-hmm. Look at that.
That's gonna be some good footage now.
That's